Hey everybody, so I got a quick video to do from Home Depot and Lowe's. I went earlier, did a video, went back with my wife, picked up a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so went back to Lowe's, grabbed a few more of these shelf mounts, shelf brackets. So I have a bunch of them here that I did earlier on a video earlier. And I grabbed 3 more shelves worth. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 shelves worth of brackets. So just added those in there. And these are heavy. So last video I stated that I was gonna go take the Husky lights back because one of them was having an issue. I grabbed another set while I was there. 10 bucks. I grabbed another set. One of these I'm gonna give to my wife so she can throw in her purse. Another one I'm probably going to either leave in the truck or I'm gonna leave in a place where I can quickly grab it. And these two are going to stay in the house. We'll test these real quick. And again, this is part number 10054044446. For the price, you can't beat it. And the reason I'm saying that is because I got 4 of them, $9 cheaper than one of the Milwaukee packs. One of the Milwaukee packs of the pen light that I have in my pocket that I carry every day, this guy right here, it is a lot smaller. It's almost 2 inches shorter. It's definitely a lot smaller around, but the benefit to or not the benefit, but the price right now during Black Friday today is Sunday, November 22nd. The thing is that you can, during Black Friday time, you can get a 2-pack of the Milwaukees. And the 2-pack for the Milwaukees is $29.97, something like that. I got all 4 of these for $9 less, for like 21 bucks. So it's a little, about $8.50, give or take the tax, because the tax was like 62 cents. So it was like $20.62. Which is not bad in my opinion. And I got 4 instead of 2. We're gonna test this one right here real quick. Yep, this one's nice and tight. Okay, that one's working fine. This guy right here, and you know, bright light. Sorry guys. This one's working fine too. I haven't completely tightened. There's no issue with that pack. I always get stuck with with the ones that were, you know, always have one that's messed up or something. Not sure why, but I got lucky with the Dewalt Tough System 2.0 radio. I haven't had any problems with mine, even though that there was a recall and a lot of people are having issues with them. And these belt clips do come off. They're springed around the body. I use these pens as inspection lights. I'm going to test these out real quick too. It's nice that it comes with Energizer batteries. And these do have double seals. And they do turn on when you put batteries in them. Alright, so first one, test this guy. This one's working fine, it's completely tight. Okay. That one automatically started on that one. This one's nice and tight too, so these are all working better than that one single one I got. So that's nice. Don't gotta worry about that. I did also grab another little torpedo level. This is a Dewalt. This one reminds me of my Irwin. It doesn't say what size it is, but the part number on this guy is really tiny. Is Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 43003. Says ultimate accuracy, rotating vial, lifetime warranty, guaranteed tough, magnetic, aluminum body, durable and lightweight, magnified level vial for visibility and durability, which is this guy right here. It's magnified, which is kind of nice. These two right here are just little small levels. They're not magnetized or yeah, magnetized. Or magnified, I'm sorry, not magnetized. It's been a long day, guys. Visibility, durability, and accuracy to 0.0005 of an inch. Rotating vial for identifying and duplicating angles. Front and roof pitch back. Over molded shock resistant end caps. Says 2011 on it, so they must have had this for a while. But I picked this one up because it's got the rotating vial, which is a feature I like on the Irwin, but the Irwin doesn't have all this information. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 45, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, and then back over. And it's textured, which is something I like. As well as, this is like a very bright neon green. And the vials are also bright. So, it's a nice level. It's pretty heavy. The magnets are actually concaved, which is kind of neat. The The magnets aren't like super strong, but they're pretty strong. It slides, but it should do exactly what it's needed to do. So grab that guy. We got 4 working flashlights and lows. When I went back and I grabbed those hooks, I also grabbed the last 4 of these containers. Previous video I showed these 2 right here, and I grabbed the other 4. And these are the tough system containers. So these actually all fit together. Boop. Like that. So now these 2 are 1. Stack these 2. On top of these guys. Pop them together. I do like these cases. You can use these with the smaller ones. These are medium, and the large ones, they're very nice. I like them. So I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's everything that was picked up on the second trip. A bunch of working Husky pen lights with 4 modes. But you know, that's it, guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the videos. I use levels a lot, especially these torpedoes, and a couple of my I-beam levels I use a crap ton. I did hung some shelves earlier on the previous video. I showed one of the boxes was empty. I got these perfectly level. I have the shelves on these perfectly level, as well as the brackets that mount to the wall is perfectly level. I like taking my time using levels on everything to get them nice. But, you know, it's here nor there. You know, some people are perfectionists. I like to make things as perfect as possible when it comes to certain things like that, because it's got to be aesthetically pleasing. I even put them, you know, if the wall's 40 inches, I try to split the difference. So that way there's, you know, 2 inches on one side, 2 inches on the other, and put the brackets in the center. It's got to be aesthetically pleasing for me when I do stuff like that. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And go at the very top of the description, go check that out. I do have an Ulsa Tools link if you guys want to get 10% off of your order from Ulsa Tools. If you guys go over to Ulsa Tools, awesome. It also kicks me back in availability to get 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. That's about it, guys. I'm not going to go through a huge spiel. I do, as always, appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the videos. I will give a review down the road on how these pen lights have lasted, how well these containers are holding up, these Dewalt tough cases, and all the torpedo levels I've bought during the Black Friday time in 2020. And I'll see you guys on the next video, or I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!